The MDC of MAWHATI constituency, Charles Marngar, in his meeting with Meghalaya's Health Minister A.L. Hek, had discussed various issues concerning the sub-centre at Umlaper as well as the Umtrai Public Health Centre. While briefing the media after the meeting, Charles Marngar informed that the dilapidated condition of the two health centres at Umlaper and Umtrai under MAWHATI constituency had prompted him to meet the Health Minister so as to apprise the latter on the need for an immediate revamping of the premises and recruitment of health workers as well. Marngar added that the Health Minister has assured him that the matter would be taken into account so as to see to the welfare of the staff and patients of the two health centres under MAWHATI constituency.
Ila don gijing keren bana kalian gejoki ila bu yang gijing kerpat yang bade halor kata kanong rim pen stat yang nega kam banwan hang ni ban sim ya gijing klik kom unong ya lampai ba berit na kamenta gijing don kam jong spai ba gijong kita gide kenyan ki bai dei ba gijing don kam gijong ni teng lapan soro bangala ongru makin sama haban pej tang ya kini PLC ki bangang lawan ban inspect dal de agis nem ki blade mengilawan ni inspection but nakaliang jong ke health department kan so mahaban pej lam kham tam kum gani kapor ya ke jing don kam jong kinong trei ki jong bat kinong pang ki bawan hospital.